Everyone, welcome to Skillsa. Everybody, so today I am Radhika Grover, today's teacher. So everybody is ready to learn calligraphy? Yes? Yeah. So let's talk, before moving ahead, let's talk a little about calligraphy. What is calligraphy? Anybody wants to tell me, you can type in the chat panel fast. Though I'm going to tell you parallelly. So what is calligraphy? Let's talk. Wow, Mrinal, very nice. It's art of writing. Actually, it is an art of beautiful handwriting, though it is not it is not your handwriting. It has different concepts of writing, but yeah, it's a kind of handwriting which is like, you write beautifully. Okay, so for calligraphy we need different kind of tools. Okay, different kind of paper. But yes, today we are going to learn some basics of calligraphy. So for the basics of calligraphy, we need some simple things. That is, we need a rule notebook and sketch pens. Either you can do it with the pencil, or you can do it with sketch pens, or you can do it with a simple gel pen. That is also fine, right? So what is for calligraphy? A calligraphy which looks like calligraphy, right? That means when we write a simple letter and we change them into different type of calligraphy. So I am going to show you my screen, and we'll start up. Today we are going to learn some alphabets. Can I use pen? For sure you can use pen. We are going to write down some, we are going to learn some of the alphabets, and moreover we are going to write down some words also. Okay, so I hope you all are ready. I'm going to start with the blue sketch pen. You can do it with any of the thing, whichever you want to. Okay, so I'm going to show you my screen. I guess you're able to see my screen now. So we are going to start up with the calligraphy now. We are going to start up with some fast basic strokes, and then we will move ahead to the alphabets. Is that fine, everyone? Right. So let's learn some of the simple basic strokes, just simple basic strokes. And we have one, the very first thing I'm going to tell you is a rule of calligraphy, rule of for calligraphy. Today we are going to learn for calligraphy, and we have to learn the rule of for calligraphy. That is, let's learn, and you also write with me. You also write with me. Rule number 1, that is, whatever goes up, whatever goes up will always be thin, and whatever goes down, comes down, whatever comes down will always be thick. Okay, you can write down this thing to you. It's like, please note down, and then we will move ahead to the next thing. And I'm going to clear it out what I am saying this. I'm going to clear it out in the next step. Okay, so don't worry at all. Yes, note it down. And the next thing I'm going to tell you is the basic strokes. Some of the basic strokes we are going to do now. We are going to, okay, everybody write down till here, and then we'll move ahead. Yes, I can see a lot of kids are writing. Very good. Yeah, we are just, we have started with the for calligraphy, and we have just written the rule. We haven't started, like we have just started with the rule, and then we will move ahead. So yes, you can continue. Those who have joined now, you can continue writing this one, and then we will move ahead to the basic strokes. Okay, we are going to do calligraphy, that is the art of writing. Yeah, I hope everybody is done till here. Now we are moving ahead to the next part, um, that is basic strokes. So we are going to do it little fast with the beautiful things. Okay, the very first thing, the very simple basic stroke is thin upwards. You can write down thin upwards. Yes, everybody write down, please. And then what we are going to do, we are going to mark 3 of the dots here, like this, on the line. Mark it up like this. And we are going to make all the strokes on 3 lines, okay? It will be comfortable for you to do. Okay, what is the basic stroke? Start from the 3rd line. What is the thin upwards basic stroke? Start from the 3rd line and go to the 1st line, like this. And you can make at least 3 of them. Beautifully done, beautifully done. Very good, kids. Very nice, Astha. Great, PU. Okay, so we are moving ahead to the second thing, the second stroke. The name of the second stroke is thick downwards. How we are going to manage with the thick downwards? Write down, everyone. Thick downwards. As I have already told you that you are going to use 3 lines. You're going to use 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. You have to touch the lines and do the strokes. You have to touch the lines and then you have to make the strokes. That is why we are marking the lines. Okay. So this was going upwards. So this was thin. Now we are going to make a stroke which is coming downwards. That means start from the 1st line and go till the 3rd line. Start from the 1st line and go till the 3rd line. And then as we have learned already that the rule first says whatever comes down will be thick, right? As we have already learned that whatever comes down will be thick. Now, how we are going to make it thick? It is coming down. We just have to double it up like this equally. We just have to double it up this like equally. This way. Okay. And then after doubling up, we just have to, after doubling up this one like this, make 3 of them, okay, for the practice. And then what we have to do, we have to fill it up downwards like this. So now you can see the upward is going thin and the downward is coming thick, right? Make it please. Downward is coming like this. Everybody make it? Yes, very good, kids. After these basic strokes, we are going to do the alphabets, and these basic strokes are going to help us for making the alphabets. Okay? So that is why it is necessary to learn these basic strokes fast, and then we will move ahead to the alphabet. Very good. I can see a lot of kids are done. Very good, Trisha. Use 3 lines, please. Touch the line, please. Start from the first line and go till the third line, as I have marked. Very nice, Kavita. Very good, PU. Okay, I can see a lot of kids are already done with the second stroke. So we are moving ahead to the third stroke. Very nice, Bhavinika. Okay. Good, Titiksha. Okay, moving ahead to the third stroke. I can see as a lot of kids are done. So we are moving ahead to the third stroke. Let's move ahead. Okay. The name of the third stroke is underturn. Write down with me. The name of the third stroke is underturn. And again, what we have to do, as we have already learned, we are going to make it in the 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. Like this. And what is underturn? Underturn means when we make U. Look here. Start from the first line. Make a beautiful U like this. Okay, let's go back. We have learned one rule. Whatever comes down is thick, and whatever goes up is thin, right? We have learned this one. So what is there? Whatever comes down will be thick, and whatever goes up will remain like this. Okay, so again, and then what we have to do is you have to fill it up properly like this. And yes, first double it up and then fill it up. Okay, that's the rule. First double it up and then fill it up. Again, make U, and whatever, look here, whatever comes down, we have to double up, and whatever goes up, we have to be like this, remain like this. Okay, so what's there? Whatever is the gap is, you have to fill it up like this. And yes, don't make it shabby. Okay, fill it up downwards only. Fill it up downwards only. I hope everybody has got this one. Yeah, show me a thumbs up, kids. Yes. Yeah, very good, Asta. I can see your smile. I can see a smile. Very nice, Anika. Great, Trisha. Okay, I can see a lot of kids are already done. Very nice, Bhavinika. Okay, so we are moving ahead to the next stroke now. Hi, Devika. We are moving ahead. So those who all have come now, those who have joined now, we are doing the 4 calligraphy. Today we have a 4 calligraphy class. We have just done 3 of the strokes with one rule. The rule is whatever goes up will be thin and whatever comes down will be thick. So we have done 3 of the basic strokes. Very good. So we have done 3 of the basic strokes. We are now moving ahead to the 4th stroke. And the name of the 4th stroke is overturn. That means it is the opposite of underturn. Overturn. Again, what is there? We have to mark up 3 points. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and what we have to do, we have to make overturn. Check it out. Start from downwards and make opposite U like this. Okay, and yes, let's revise the rule fast. Whatever goes up will be thin and whatever comes down will be thick. So as whatever is coming down, I have doubled it up like this. Again, make U. Now whatever goes up will be thin and whatever comes down will be thick. In this way, and after that what you have to do is you have to fill it up, the gap in between this part. Yes, so I am done with overturn. So everybody complete this one. Very good everyone. I can see a lot of kids are already done. Amazing. Okay, that's really nice of you, Tatiksha. Amazingly done. So we are moving ahead to the next stroke. Okay, the next stroke is fifth stroke. The name of the fifth stroke is, okay, it's oval. Let's make oval. How we are going to make 3 lines again and make oval. After this, what you have to do is whatever comes down, we have to double up and then fill it up. Again, whatever comes down, double up and then fill it up. So I guess it's too easy to make. That's amazing, kids. That's really good. Very good. So let's move ahead to the next part. Let's move ahead to the next thing. So that is the sixth stroke. The name of the sixth stroke is ascending loop. Okay. It's ascending loop. Now we have a twist here. As we have used 5 lines, right? Here we are going to use, as we have used 3 lines, here we are going to use 5 lines. Check it out. Mark it up, please. Be with me and mark it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Moving ahead, start from the third line. Start from the third line. Count it up and then move ahead to the third line like this. 1, 2, 3. Start from the third line and make it like this. As we make the loop of H, F, okay? When we write down the alphabet, we make the loops, right? So this loop is something which is going to be used in H, K, okay? P. So, and now this is going up, will remain like this. This is coming down, will be like this, and then we have to double up. And whatever comes down, we have to fill it up. We have to fill up the gap, and kindly fill up the gap downwards so that it should look neat. Okay. Again, we are starting up. Start from the third line. Go up, come down. Very good. And then whatever comes down, we have to double up equally. And then fill it up inside. Okay. I hope everybody's done this one. After this, we are going to do the last stroke. Okay. We are going to do the last stroke. I hope everybody is done till here. You can show me a thumbs up like this, fast. If you all are done, wow. Vrishti, very nice. Gunit, amazing. Astha, very nice. Very good, Trisha. Very good, Piyu. Very good, Tanishka. Amazing, Bhavanika, Savika. Okay, Titiksha, very nice. Like, and I can see lot of kids have done already this part. So we are moving ahead to the seventh stroke, and the name of the seventh stroke is, it looks like it's an opposite of the sixth stroke, the name of the stroke. Okay, it's an opposite. So the opposite stroke is descending loop. Please check it out. Okay, the seventh stroke is descending loop. Yeah. So how we are going to make? Let's make 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. So how we are going to make descending loop? Eyes on ma'am's work. Start from the first line. Come down till the last line and make a loop like this and stop here. Okay. And again, whatever comes down, we just have to double it up like this and like this. And then just join it. Okay, kids? And then whatever is the gap, you just have to fill it up. Down, go up, and fill it up this way. Okay. Everybody, please make it till here. And after this, we are going to learn some interesting thing. Okay, I can see kids are done already. Very nice kids. We have already done till descending loop. I guess everybody's done till here. Yes? Okay, so we are moving ahead to the next thing now. I'm going to tell you one amazing trick of writing the alphabets. Okay, check it out, please, everyone. Kindly mark with me. Okay, let's move step by step. Please mark what we are going to do. We are going to mark 4 lines. Okay, we are going to mark 4 lines. How we are going to mark? Please check it out. 1, leave 1 line, 2, leave 1 line, 3, leave 1 line, 4. You just have to leave single line from in between. And then kindly mark 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So in this way, so I'm going to tell you that what are the names of these lines. A little fast. Okay. The names of these lines, the very first line is known as a sender line. or sender line. If you want to note it down, you can, or you can also note it down. The second one is a sender line. The second one is waistline. The third one is baseline. Yes, please note down. It will really help you to write down the alphabets. We are going to write down some words with an interesting with interesting things. So everybody, the last line is known as descender line. Okay. I hope everybody is done till here. You note down. I'm waiting for you. Please note down this one. Okay, and after writing this one, you just show me a thumbs up like this, and then we will move ahead to write down the words with lot of alphabets. Okay, I guess everybody is done till here. Very nice. So let's start up with the things now. I'm going to tell you a little amazing things now. Let's write down fast. Again, round A. A means a sender line. This one. Okay. A means a sender line. Again, leave one line and write down waistline. That means W. And you have to mark it on a particular line, okay? Don't forget. And then again, mark it up, baseline. And the last one will be descender line. Okay. Kids, now we are going to write down some interesting things. We are going to write down some of the words. Okay, are you ready to write down the words? With the help of words, we are going to cover all the alphabets. Okay, with the help of the words, we are going to cover all the alphabets. So here we are going to write down the very first word. It is happy. Okay, so if you want to be colorful, you can be colorful. If you want to be you want to do with a single pen, that is also fine. So I am going to use two colors, that is light blue and dark blue. Okay, I am going to write with the light blue or dark blue and will fill up with the light blue. Is that fine? You can also take any combination. The outer color should be darker and the inner color should be lighter. Okay, you can take any combination. Though I am taking the dark blue and light blue. You can take let me give you example. You can take dark green and light green. You can take orange and red. You can take purple and pink, right? The friends you can take, or you can also have some other thing, that is red, and you can fill it up with the yellow. Yeah, that's fine. I can see a lot of kids have everybody has their pens now. Let's write down happy. How we are going to write down? Eyes on ma'am's work first, and then you can move ahead. Okay, we are going to join these which the strokes we have learned. We are going to join them, and then we are going to write. I'm going to start from here. Eyes on ma'am work, everyone. I am starting from W. I am starting from W. Eyes on ma'am's work. I have made a ascending loop. Can you see? I've made a ascending loop. Whatever is going up will remain same, and whatever is coming down will be doubled up like this. Is it fine? Make it please. Okay. The next step is we are going to join the overturn with it, starting from the bottom of the ascending loop. Check it out. I have added overturn here. So you can see here we are there. We have H. Whatever is going up will remain same, and whatever is coming down will be doubled up. Can you see this one? Yes. So I am done with my H. Now I'm going to raise a line here a little, and we'll write down A. How to write down A? I guess everybody is done with H. Yes, very nice. Yadini is very happy, Anna. I can see her smile. Very nice. So we are adding A to it. How we are going to make A? In between waistline and baseline, that is W and B, I am making oval. And whatever is coming down, I have to double it up. And whatever is going up, we are going to make it same. Okay. Now everybody knows how to make A, right? Let me show you. It's A. We always make A like this. Is it true? Yes. So here we have added oval. We are going to add the other stroke. What will be that other stroke? It will be underturn, right? It will be half underturn. It will be half underturn. Check it out. Okay, we are done. So we are done with A as well. Okay. So I guess kids are done with A. You can show me a thumbs up. Then I'll move ahead to P now. Very nice. Gagandeep, Titiksha. Okay, Sonija is done. Very good. Okay. So we are moving ahead to P now. Very good, Anvi. How we are going to make P? Start from, okay, I want to tell you one interesting thing. You know, P is a giraffe letter. Oh, wow. What's that? Giraffe letter means it is too big. Too big. So let's see how. Start from the waistline, that is W, and make ascending loop till D. Okay? Make ascending loop till D. So it is covering all 4 lines. It's too tall, right? So that is why we say it as giraffe letter. So move ahead. Whatever comes down will be double up here. Now, after this, we are going to add, as we have made in H, we have made here overturn. For the P also, we are going to make a same concept. That is, we are going to make overturn like this. And yes, whatever goes up will remain same. Whatever comes down will be doubled up. Okay? Whatever comes down will be double up. Now, we are going to make Again, we are going to make one P. Now you are going to make on your own fast. Let's make, because I've told you how to make P. Now you have to make on your own. Fast make it, as I've told you already. Come on. I want to see. Okay, again telling you, you just have to add one more P to it. So make ascending loop like this, and you know this ascending loop is a taller ascending loop. Very good, Anvi. You're using brush pen for filling. That's really good. You can also use brush pen for fillings. That's nice, but you have to take care of it, okay? That it should not go out of it. Double it up like this. And then add overturn to it again. 1, 2. And whatever comes down, we just have to double up. Okay. In this way, we have to follow up our alphabets. That firstly, we can write down the alphabets, how we have to write down. And then whatever comes down, we just have to double up that concept. Okay? Okay. Now, what is there? We just have to add overturn. Oh, sorry. Underturn. Double up this underturn. And after doubling underturn, we just have to add a descending loop. Okay, I want to tell you an interesting fact. Whenever we are going to make descending loop, it will always touch descender line. And whenever we are going to make ascending loop, it will always touch to the ascending line. Okay? That's the interesting fact. Okay. Now, what is there? Descending loop here like this, and then double it up, whatever comes down, and then cross it like this. You can make it as much beautiful as you want. This one, this, okay. And for H also, you can also add this stroke here. It will look completed when you are going to make both the sides like this. Yes. After this, you can fill it up with any color, the other color you chose. So I chose, okay, I have this light blue color. I'm going to fill it up with light blue color, and filling up should always be neat. Okay, it should always be downwards. You should not move in, you should not move your direction in any other, like your pen in any other direction. You have to follow up the things. And yes, kids, you have to join your alphabets. Check it out. I've joined my alphabets properly to each other. Okay, now I'm filling it up with light blue. Like this. Okay, and yes, you can also suppose you are writing, we are making some birthday card. Suppose we have written happy year, and we are going to write down birthday now to the next part. So how we are going to write down birthday? The AWBD you can also write down with the pencil, and after that you can rub it out. Okay, it will help you. Whenever you are suppose you are making a birthday card. So what you have to do is you have to take care of your AWBD, and then you can rub it up. Is that fine, everyone? Fill it up like this properly. Wherever you are writing, you just have to follow up the things, and rest is done. So I am done with my happy. I want to see yours, everyone. Please show me yours. Okay. Very nice, Bhavishya, very nice, Gagandeep, beautiful. Just want to tell you the thickness should be equal in all of the alphabets. Okay, Gagan, your P is too much thick. So take care of it. You have to make your thickness equal to all of the alphabets. Yeah, Tejas, it is good. You have to follow up the concept. Very nice, Adya. Amazing. I can see a lot of kids are done with happy. Very good, Veda. Okay, very good, Kavita. Amazing, amazing. Okay, now we are going to write down the next word. Shall we write down a word that is birthday? Let's complete this one with happy birthday only. Shall we? It will be interesting and it will be helpful for you to write down somewhere else. Is that fine, everyone? Let's write down birthday. Very good, Aradha. I can see it's beautiful. So now again, I am going to use two of different colors. So I can have red with the orange. Though you can continue with the same also. Yeah. So again, please write down AWBD. Leave just a single line and let's leave just a single line and let's write down A. Okay, I guess it's A. Leave one line and write down W. Leave one line and write down B. Leave one line and write down D. Yes, you can use any of the color. It's up to you how you want to make it interesting and creative. So it's up to you. You can use any color, anything, whatever you like. Yeah, you can use any different color to fill it up. You can also use two different colors to fill it up. Suppose I've used light blue here, though you could use like two different colors also. You can use suppose light blue or green together, half of the light blue, half of the green, light green. Like it's up to you how you want to make it interesting. Okay, so we are going to write down the next word, that is birthday. Eyes on ma'am's work now, everyone, once, and then you can write down on your own. Okay, so I am writing birthday. I'm starting from base A. Okay, I am starting from A. Check it out. Make a thick line down till B. Starting from A to B. I've just added a straight line like this and doubled up. After this, I'm going to tell you one interesting thing. Here, I'm going to make the opposite oval. Check it out how. Check it out how. It will be under W and B. Check it out how. Just opposite oval. Okay. And yes, whatever goes up will remain same and whatever comes down will be doubled up. Okay. After this, what we are going to do is very good. And please try doubling up equally to all of the alphabets. Okay. After this, let's make I. How to make I? Please start from the corner. Okay. Otherwise, your birthday will not come, like the full word will not come till the end. So start from the corner. Okay. Yeah. In this way, you have to keep it in your mind that whether my word will come inside the line or not, you have to check out your length of the word. Very good. So we are moving ahead to I. Just little up and add on half underturn. Okay, and whatever comes down, again we just have to double up whatever comes down. After this, for birthday, we have a dot here. If you want to make a dot, that's also fine. If you want to make a beautiful heart here, that's also fine. It's up to you. Or you can make a balloon here. Anything, whatever you want to. Is that fine? To make it interesting. After this, we are going to make R. Check it out how to make R. You all know the R is like this. Yes? Yeah, I can see R is like this. Yes, so we just have to make it like this, and whatever comes down, we just have to double it up. Let's see. I'm going up, making round, and make it till here. And after this, I'm going to add. I'm going to double it up slowly. Whatever comes down, we just have to double up. You just check out, this is going up and this is coming down. So whatever is coming down, we just have to double up. And after that, add underturn. And whatever comes down, I just have to double up. Okay. I can see a lot of kids are done with this thing. After this, we have to add T. Okay, check it out how to make T. Start from A, add big underturn like this. Add big underturn. And again, whatever comes down, we just have to double up. And whatever goes up, we will remain same. Okay. Everybody's done till here. It's going smoothly. Everybody's getting everything. Yes, good. So now H, everybody knows how to make it. Yes, I've already told you. So let's add on H to it. Everybody know how to make H, right? Let's make H. Make ascending loop here. And double up the ascending loop. That means whatever comes down, we just have to double up that. And whatever goes up, we have to remain same. After this, we are going to add a descend. Oh, sorry, overturn. Okay, we just have to add overturn to it. Okay, add overturn, and yes, whatever goes up will remain same, and whatever comes down, we just have to add double up thing to it. Yes, I can see a lot of kids are doing it beautifully. Very nice, very nice. Though, as I have used two colors, you can also use one interesting thing, that is you can write down with the black and you can fill it up every single letter with other color. You can write down, you can fill up with a rainbow color or something else like that. It's up to you how you want to do. Okay, now let's add D to it. Make a round under W and B, make oval like this, and whatever comes down, you have to double up. And then let's add a big overturn, underturn. And then whatever comes down, just double up. So here is the concept that whatever comes down, you just have to double up. Okay, by adding these strokes. So you have to make your strokes that much beautiful so that it will look equal, like each and every alphabet should look equal. After this, I am going to add A, as you already know how to make A, oval, add double up, and then underturn. And then after this, what you have to do is you just have to add y to it. Double up the thing and add y to it. Everybody knows how to make y. And add or descend a loop. You can make interesting descender loop also while by making the beautiful oval here. You can see I've made an oval here. You can make as much interesting oval here. It's up to you. Now whatever comes down, we just have to double up. Yeah, and then we have to make a center line of T. So here I have done, I am done with my outline. If you want to fill it up, then it is fine. If you don't want to fill up, that's also fine. It looks interesting the way as like if we don't want to fill up, it's perfectly fine. Okay. So yes, I am going to fill up. Okay, I am filling it up with orange, though you can fill it up with any other color, whichever you want to. And yes, you can also give a half shading to it. And kindly fill it up downwards. Kindly fill it up downwards. Though you can also make flowers inside if you want to. You can write down with the pencil and then you can rub down the outlines. And then you can do it everything with the, you can also make a flowers here, okay? Very good. I can see. Okay, Kavita, please make sleeping line here inside, like to T. Very good. I can see a lot of kids are done already. Very nice, everyone. I can see. Oh, okay. Kids, I was just telling you this thing that you can also, suppose you have made A like this. Okay. You can also add on some flowers or some balloons or some anything inside. Though you can also make a patterns like this inside. If you want to. If you want to add some kind of flowers here, then also fine. Like it's up to you how you want to add on, like how you want to be interesting. Okay, you can be as much interesting as you can with your for calligraphy. Is that fine, everyone? It's up to you. So I hope kids are done with the happy birthday, and those who all want to know anything related to this, it's up, you can also type in a chat panel fast. And yes, I can see lots of kids are done. You can show me, kids. I wanted to see. Wow, very nice, Aradhya. It's beautiful. And yes, you can also add on some balloons here if you are making the birthday card, right? Okay. And you can also make any other things nearby. Yeah, that's nice, Aradhya. I can see you have done with the pencil and it's looking really beautiful. Yes, Adya, you have to take care that the word should cover up. You can like cover up all of the space with your word. Okay, beautiful. I can see a lot of kids are done. Very good. Very good, Trishika. Very good, Adya. Okay, you can see many kids are. Oh, wow. Beautifully done.